If you've ever had to work on the lower end of your Bentley, perhaps the most perplexing thing you'll encounter is how to remove the dynamo rotor, part 4 on this diagram. Getting to it is easy enough if you're mechanically inclined, but once there you'll be stuck unless you have the special removal tool required. Stay calm, you already own it. But first, a reminder that there is another tool that is absolutely critical for working on vintage motorcycles, the lowly impact driver. Not a fancy new electric one, but the lowly manual one that you hit with a hammer. This is the only way to remove those precious, hard-to-find screws that are holding everything together. Attempting to coax these screws out any other way will end up ruining the head. I've had my impact driver since the 70s, and it's done stellar duty on all the bikes I've ever owned. Now, back to the discussion of the Dynamo rotor puller. Back in the day, it was a tool included in the Bentley Special Toolkit, number 2 on this image. I imagine this toolkit's pretty rare today. Has anyone actually ever seen one? If so, leave a comment. The puller tool itself comes up occasionally on eBay. However, I mentioned you already own this tool. How? The rear axle is an exact match for the Dynamo rotor. It is an M14 with 1.5 thread pitch. I don't know if this is coincidence or a design decision from an earlier time when a rider often was expected to be a mechanic as well. Anyway, with a screwdriver through the hole, you have the perfect puller. You can use it to turn the motor over, or with a sharp crack to the right, the rotor pops right off. Easy when you know how. If you want to see an actual disassembly taking place, in the description I've included a link to a video done by another YouTuber. Thanks for watching.